Risk management is the one thing that separates winners from losers. Now, I believe 95% of traders focus way too much on their entries, and the 5% that do succeed, well, they focus on this. And I'm going to show you very soon in this demonstration. Now, my name is Cam Buchanan. I'm the owner and founder of the International Day Trading Academy, and I'm going to show you some of the software that we use to help manage our risk. Now, I'm going to use a particular trade example that we did in our live trading room recently. So this was a particular trade, which was a short trade. This is the exact trade we took. So first of all, what we do is we plan the trade. So I'm going to do a short trade, which means we're selling and we want the market to go down, and then we're going to buy at the lower price. That's what a short trade is, or a short sell. So on this particular trade, I'm risking, this is how we manage our lot size. We know how much we're prepared to trade with because we want to keep our risk linear and standard in all trades. So in this particular trade, I've got a 2% risk. You can see here, I've got, I can move it up to 2% right there. So that means I've got $200 I want to make on this particular trade. And I'm risking $200 to make $200. Right. So this up here, the number up here tells me the number of contracts I can trade. So if I've got a $10,000 account, right, now I've put the order on. If I've got a $10,000 account, I can risk with 2%, I can risk $200 per trade. Now, of course, I want to make at least 1-to-1, which means $200 on this trade for the $200 at risk. I'd like to make more than that, but being a day trader, sometimes 1-to-1 is ample. So now we're just waiting for this market to pick us up. Now, also with the blue box here, you can see this represents a certain amount of value in the trade. So we can see here now, the trade is moving down into profit. We're in profit now. You can see that we've got the green numbers. So when the market hits this point here, you'll see that we're going to then go into profit on this particular trade. So remember, I've got 2% risk here, so I'm looking to make $200 on this trade. Now, it's very important to protect your capital as a trader. Many traders do not focus on the fact that they may lose on a trade, and if you are losing on the trades, you need to make sure that that risk or that loss doesn't spiral out of control. So you do need to have what we call managed and fixed risk on every trade. And this is why we use these tools, is to help our traders know exactly what they're prepared to risk on each and every trade. So if you have too much risk on the trade, it won't allow you to put the trade on. It'll advise you not to put the trade on because it's too much risk.
Target filled.
So there we have it. So you can see here, we entered the market there. So we sold there and we bought back down here. We get to keep that profit there. And that was a managed fixed risk trade. That was a $200 risk for a $200 reward. And that took less than 10 minutes to pay. Now, if you want to find out more about trading, all you need to do is follow the link below.